It's a bright sunny day in your whare mahara garden, a perfect setting to place your next kupu. Whāriki, mat. Whā-ri-ki, whāriki. Pouaka makariri, fridge. Pou-a-ka-ma-ka-ri-ri. Pouaka makariri. Whare, house. Whare, whare. Matapihi, window. Ma-ta-pi-hi, matapihi.
Let's have a quick look at the kupu Pouaka makariri. The word pouaka means box. Earlier, you learnt the word pouaka whakaata, which means box theatre, or as we say in English, a television. Another word you saw way back at the beginning of He Whare Mahara is makariri, cold. So when you put pouaka, box, and makariri, cold together, you get box cold, which is obviously a fridge. Cool, eh?
Aye. Now let's get back to enjoying your whare mahara garden. You look down at the ground and instead of grass, there is a huge multicoloured whāriki mat. It has whāriki written on it in big capital letters with a macron dancing above the A. Sitting on the whāriki is a tall, thin pouaka makariri fridge.
Now look over to your whare house. There is a gigantic arrow pointing at the house with whare written in bright, flashing neon lights. As you look at your whare, you notice a matapihi, window. It's the one you spray painted waiporoporo and kōwhai. You sprayed so much paint you can't see through that matapihi at all.
So we have whāriki covering the ground with a tall, thin pouaka makariri sitting on it. A big arrow points to the neon sign whare, and the matapihi has so much spray paint on it you can't see through it.
You know what to do. Practice these kupu for a couple of days.